Sorry, in the video I have misspelled the chapter as chapter 13, but it is chapter 15, Entrepreneurship and Capitalism. In today's video, we will talk about chapter 13, Entrepreneurship and Capitalism of MSO 001. After analyzing the question paper from 2012 to 2020, I have came across following question. Compare and contrast Weber and Schumpeter entrepreneurship. Now let's see what is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship includes a part of administration and its function in decision-making process for regulating some types of organization. It is a creation or extraction of value. It is viewed as change, generally entailing risk beyond what is normally encountered in business. It may include other values than economic one. You can always add on your point, and if you want that any point should be added by me, then please comment below so that I can add on the points. And if you want to help someone with any point, comment down below the point that you want that should be there in the video so that other student can get benefit from that. Max Weber. He believed that entrepreneurship is a function of religious belief and the impact of religion affect the entrepreneurial culture. He emphasized that energies of an entrepreneur exogenous and supplied by means of religious belief. Weber's theoretical propagation of entrepreneurship is as follows. He identified the theory of charisma. In primitive phase, charisma is significant agent. In modern capitalist society, economic changes occur due to enterprises which generate opportunity to make profit. There are two aspects of the theory. First is entrepreneur can be found in economic system, and the second is entrepreneur will do more with the direction of economic action that is not economic. At elementary stage, Weber say entrepreneurship means taking over an organization of some part of economy in which people needs are satisfied through exchange for the sake of profit and at one's own economic risk. Calvinism and Christian in 19th and 17th century set up the movement. That was religious constraint gradually began, lasting luster and control over society. Entrepreneurial work led to capitalist development. Charge in cultural value and belief is the key of development. Rationalization of society began with replacement of myth and religion by science and Methodism. Schumpeter entrepreneurship as innovation. He used variety of approaches including psychology, economic theory, economic history and sociology. He first propagated competent history of entrepreneurship. He followed versatility and multidisciplinary approach. Theory of entrepreneurship can be bad in theory of economic development. His argument all significant changes in the economy and initiated by entrepreneur. Changes work on their own through economic system, that is business cycle. Activities in social phenomena. It is creative and innovative, repetitive and mechanical. In his work Business Cycle, he described entrepreneurship in much technical sense. His work represents an attempt to develop many economic throws via internet capital, credit, profit and business cycle by interconnecting them into a theory of entrepreneurship. He asserts that entrepreneurship can be identified as the making of a new combination of already existing materials and forces. Schumpeter's topology of entrepreneurship includes first, the introduction of new goods, second, the introduction of new modes of production, third, the initiating of new market, fourth, innovating a new source of supply of raw material, and fifth is creation of new industrial organization. Now we can easily see the difference between Weber and Schumpeter, where Weber was a sociologist. He used sociology and Schumpeter was an economics. Weber thought are scattered, whereas Schumpeter entrepreneur is a manager in a circular flow of development. Weber, he was trained in German historical school, whereas Schumpeter was trained in Australian tradition. Weber gave weak practical implication, whereas Schumpeter have practical implications. Weber shift to bureaucrats from entrepreneurship. whereas Schumpeter shifted to sociology and economic history from economic theory. So these are the basic differences in between Weber and Schumpeter theory. Please add on the points and please like, share and subscribe to our channel.